Man, my life sucks. My parents are dead, only got one nut. I had to sell my eye, I only have one nut. I'm poor, and I only have one nut. At least I got this cool dog, though.
Denji, my boy, I got another job for you. Get in this completely inconspicuous white van.
Wow, this warehouse is cool and all, but where's that W you were talking about? Ah!
It seems like you weren't cut out for the business, Denji.
Oh my gosh, it's the zombie devil! Oh no!
Aha, the zombie devil. Get him, boys.
Pochita? What are you doing here?
Hey, so you're like dead now,
Oh,
but I'll give you my heart if you show me your dreams.
okay.
Cool. Also, I'm taking one of your balls.
Pochita!
What the? You're still alive. Get him again, boys. Yeah, that's right, stay dead. What the hell? What the hell's going on? Oh, hey, cool, you're a double now. Hey, maybe wanna hang out, play some Wii games or something? Like Mario Party, Mario Kart, Mario...
God damn it!
Turok, Mirai, a beautiful star. 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 Randore kyoga ga kiraraki de. Katare oburado, kurado, bye bye. Damera, adamena yaka, yonyo yutoi wa. Aogaoshi, koigaoshi, toktekteru. 知らない知らなめたラクシーで生きていたそれなりに冷めたあまた薄の梅の中ビレミナスクステレスティンピース待ってるこぜいつでもいたんじゅるないところ愛する名前で I love you can I step back 3分のダメなチェック my heart Turok mirai beautiful star. Turok mirai beautiful star. Turok mirai beautiful star. The kind of sunshine tender. Turok mirai a beautiful star. Turok mirai a beautiful star. Turok mirai a beautiful star. Turok mirai beautiful star. Hello. Damn boy, you smell funny. Also, if you don't join public safety, I'll kill you.
Hey, can we get some McDonald's?
No. And also take this.
Yo, who the fuck?
This is Aki, and he's going to be your partner. Alright, bitch, let's go. Oh, shit! Quit while you're ahead, kid. Don't do this because of Makima.
Aki got attacked by the CBT devil, ma'am.
Bullshit.
Shut your ass up. You got kicked in the balls.
By the way, you guys are going to be living with each other. What? There's a fiend upstairs. I want you to go up there, turn into a devil, and kill it.
Cool. By the way, what's a fiend?
A fiend is a devil that took over a corpse. Didn't they teach you that in school?
I didn't go to school.
Skill issue. Okay, here it is. Dude, you're supposed to turn into a devil. The fuck?
Whoops. Man, why do I still feel depressed? I'm living a normal life like I wanted to. I get to work with a hot chick. But it still feels like I'm missing something. Wait, I know. I want to feel some boobs!
What?
Nothing.
Anyways, starting today, Denji, you'll have a new partner.
What a bitch is me! Power! Yeah, keep going. Oh, wait, hold on. She's a fiend. Isn't that against the rules or something? Never mind, she good.
You see, Power is special, so that's why she was assigned to Hayakawa Squad.
Hey, where the devil's at, man? I don't know, maybe they're... Wait. You smell that? That's the smell of battle.
Hey, I'm gonna need some backup. I don't know what this thing is, but it needs to be killed.
Oh! He did it. What? Yeah, no, it was all him. I had nothing to do.
Shut up!
Okay.
Anyways, I need you to get along, or I'm going to kill you both.
Man, I miss my cat. Hey, can you help me get her back from the devil that took her? Why would I do that? If you do, I'll let you play with my Nintendo Switch. That son of a bitch. Snatching innocent cats. Not on my watch. As a devil hunter, I say no. I'll kill the shit out of him. There's the house over there. You go on ahead. Okay. Hey, should you be this close to the... Ah! Alright, here's your food.
You kept me waiting! Oh, hell yeah! I've been waiting forever! Ugh! This tastes like shit!
Fuck you. I have a card in my body. Kind of.
Whatever. Also, screw you for bringing me bad food.
Oh man, my cat.
Nom.
I'm gonna eat some kids now. Peace. Man, that guy tasted like shit. Also, why is my leg itch? Ah!
If you get to drink my blood, then I get to drink yours.
Nuh-uh!
Yeah.
You let a perfectly good snack run away. What kind of devil would do that? Sex! Well, if you insist on protecting them so much, then catch.
I don't give a fuck.
Oh shit! I'm so exhausted.
Well, now you're gonna get it, motherfucker.
Ah!
You saved me. Why? Booba. Alright, fine. Yeah! What the Hey, it's the editor. Due to the lack of an art budget and my horrible drawing skills, this part of the video has been cut out for yours and my own sake. Please enjoy the rest of the video.
Nom, 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 nom. Very good!
Oh my gosh, look, it's section 6. Oh my gosh, it's Aki.
Audio Jungle.
Hey, we found your arm.
Oh, sweet.
Audio Jungle.
Also, don't disobey my orders again. I'll have to report you in that blood bitch.
Okay. What up, bitches? This place looks like shit.
What are you doing here?
I'll live here now. Oh, cool.
Fucking toilet.
Oh, great. What do you want?
Hey, it's me, Power. I totally remember to record this scene. Anyways, you want to touch my boobs?
Hey, it's me again. I think this is where I'm going to end the video. I started editing this back in January of 2023, and now it's... Jesus Christ. If I waited until the whole thing was edited, it probably wouldn't be released for a couple of years. Expect part 2, but not anytime soon.